Alexa, can you give me my brief for chemistry today?
Good afternoon, Case. Here's your brief for your chemistry lecture today.
Hello, my name is Michael, and this is my partner Case, and today we're going to tell you about our project named Brief.
This time of year, students are stuck in a never-ending cycle of going to multiple different classes, followed by long hours of studying and homework. By the end of the day, it's hard to remember what even happened in your 1020 when you're getting back from lab at 9:30 p.m. That's why we decided to make Brief. Brief is an Alexa app that gives students a short summary of what was covered in their classes that day. Brief works by using AWS services to analyze audio recordings and identify the main topics of lecture. After identifying the key phrases of lecture, Brief will tap into Alexa's internet capabilities to define and pull up relevant materials on the web.
Firstly, the service S3 was used for inputting and outputting different files for the rest of the services that we used for this project. After storing an MP3 file of a lecture in S3 in a bucket, we used transcribe to take the MP3 file and transcribe it into text. We then used Amazon Comprehend to access the same exact file that the Amazon Transcribe outputted to S3, and Amazon Comprehend uses machine learning to make accurate predictions about the text. We then attempted to use AWS Glue to transfer this information to a database, and as well as using Athena to visualize this data. But we ended up using our own implementation in Java to do this. We then implemented a Java program that takes a JSON file from Amazon Transcribe and provides the words that were most relevant in the lecture. These words can then be passed to Amazon Alexa and give the information to a student about a brief overview of the lecture.